Morning YouTube. No, wait a minute, July 18th I believe it is, Wednesday. It was 54 about an hour ago or so. Nice sleeping.
Hey YouTube, so today it's pretty cool out, it's like 60, so we're actually going to paint the little shed here. So we have our blue paint in the spray gun, and Grandpa's up there cleaning up the roof of it now, and he has the spray gun already up there, so we're going to do that today. We don't know how it's going to turn out, but we think it's going to turn out pretty good. I'll update you guys once we get able to see some. As you guys can see, it's coming along pretty nicely, and it's actually not using that much of the paint from the spray gun because I haven't had to fill it yet. It's not the biggest spray gun either, you can see. And that's done with half of it. Now we got this half over here. Here you go, Grandpap. So that's the second refill, but he's just doing the edges now, as you can see. The top is done. I will show you guys that as soon as this is finished. So then when he comes down, I can go up on the ladder. I'll show you that in a minute. This is the front that we're doing now. We already did this side, the back. So we did this. Now we just got this to go. As you guys can see, that was actually a very quick job. The roof is now done. We didn't need to be perfect, so as you can see, there's stuff here. But that's going to be painted as well, so. Well, I'll take you guys to Grandpap then and ask some questions. First, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Very nice.
Okay guys, so what I did was I bought this cabinet stain down at Lowe's. It's a solid color acrylic deck stain. Now I put this on the roof of the sawmill shed because I wanted it to blend in with the rest of my property here. And if you can't see it, it's like that blue color I just put on there. And surprisingly, this is a spray gun from Harbor Freight, and surprisingly, without any kind of thinning, Central Pneumatic 20 fluid ounce high volume, low pressure gravity feed spray gun, it actually sprayed 3 containers of paint out of here in just the amount of time that it would take to, put it on. So, I mean, I'm used to working with car spray guns, sort of, and I'm amazed that this actually sprayed that. I didn't think it would. I thought I would have to thin it with something, but I didn't do anything thinning with it or anything. Just put it in there, adjust the nozzle a little bit to get myself like a tighter. I wanted a tight spray rather than a wide spray so that it wouldn't get all over the place, and it did a good job. I think this was 14 bucks. The friggin' paint was 50 bucks. And it just took us less than an hour, I believe. Well, what time is it over there? Yeah, it's 20 after 10 in the morning, so it took us less than an hour to do the whole thing, plus cleanup. And one thing nice about this Cabot acrylic stain, water cleans it up as long as it's wet. Once it dries, water won't clean it up. But filled the gun up with the stain. Got a little drop of water in there. Filled the gun up, cleaned right out, no issues. Worked pretty nice. Probably take the nozzle off here. You can take the nozzle of these off. It's clean, so I'm not even going to fool with it. Now what I'll do is wait for that to dry, and then I'll use like a piece of cardboard, for instance, or something, where the roof line is, and I'll spray a lighter color on the sides, but I want to let that dry first. Okay, so there you go. 14 or 15 bucks, whatever this thing was on sale, spray gun at Harbor Freight. 20 fluid ounce one, high volume, low pressure, plus the stain. Job well done. Have a good one.
Alright guys, well, as you can see I pulled the hose back out. Grandpap said because the roof went so well, he wants to do the sides right away. So he's over there on the other side of here, probably filling up the gun, I suppose. Take a peek. Yep, there he goes. He's going to go around the other way. But we're going to take a look. And you guys will be able to see this then. Alright guys, so as you can hear, Grandpa's spraying over there. But this is the side that's not been sprayed. And this is in the process. This hasn't been sprayed yet. It's like a grayish color. What was that?
Weather beaten like gray, which is what I want. I want it to look old, you know? I think I'm out of paint.
He's gonna spray the door, so that's what the color of the paint is.
I need you to get me paint.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna be changing this. You guys know I'm gonna put wood on here because Ollie has basically said you would like that, and I think it's a good idea. But I'm just gonna spray it now. I probably won't get it done again this year, but I'll eventually get it. I kind of like that weather beaten look. It's not bad. Of course, the original color, it's not bad either, but yeah, it's gonna look good. I'm using the cardboard, guys, as like a border to keep the paint from spraying up onto the blue that I just put on. I never expected this to go this good. I didn't expect to be able to spray this paint. I really didn't think it would work too well. This I rolled on the other day. Now we get a chance to see whether rolling it puts more paint on. It probably does than spraying. It's hard to say. I broomed that off, get the sawdust off of it. It's not supposed to rain today, so yeah, I want to get this done. This will be a major improvement in my mind. Yeah, happy with this. I need hose.
it's a little harder to tell with the gray color where it's all been painted, but you can see a little bit. I'll show you guys the side that's already done. Like that. And then he's working on this side.
Move the ladder over there.
Yep. Alright, so we're still working on the back side. With this stain spraying it, it actually has to be refilled a lot more because it's a lot like, I want to say like more watery. So it's coming out quicker, so we need to refill it more. But it's coming. This wasn't done yet, so you can see the two different colors, I guess. Okay.
I'm not getting enough paint. I'm going to dump this paint in the bucket and then clean out the gun.
Alright. Alright, so it wasn't spraying so well. We weren't getting a good spray out of it. So we emptied whatever paint was in it and we put it back in the container, and we have water in that, so he's cleaning it out at the moment. That's what he's doing. Just trying to clean it out so we get the nice spray on it again. As you guys can see, after cleaning it, it's spraying pretty well now. So we're actually on the side. This side's done. Well, the back is done. So we just cleaned it out with water so that it would get all the stain or paint out of it. You guys can see it's spraying really well right now after we cleaned it out. So this side is now also good. As soon as he finishes up what he's doing down there. So now we just got like the front right here, like the front post here and the front post over there.
Right here, yeah.
And I believe like the top also in the front needs to be done. Looking good.
touch up this blue a little bit here then.
Alright. Sounds good. Alright, so I'm going to do this half now. Gotta move the ladder and stuff. Alright, well, Grandpa's cleaning the gun and cleaning it out. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I gotta take the ladder down and then put the ladder back. But, this is how it's looking. I think it looks pretty good. We need some blue touch-up right there, as you said earlier. And get you guys this side. And also, and we can go look at the back as well. Pretty good. Now it's supposed to have like the worn look, I guess Grandpa was saying. So, this is this side. So I think it looks good. I really like the blue on the top. It looks really nice, which you guys have already seen. But there we go. That's the shed painted, I think he calls it, the Wood Miser shed. So the Wood Miser shed, the painting is complete. I'm not going to say the whole thing is complete because we still need to do this. We're going to eventually get that done. I don't know if we're going to get that done this year though. We got so many things on the list. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like the video, comment any questions you may have or anything. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Have a good one. Bye.